Hi there. Has a storm passed through your area? Do you know that your roof may have been affected by wind or hail damage and you may not be aware unless you have a professional inspection done? Don't wait until you see a stain on the ceiling or a small leak become a bigger and more costly problem. We have helped hundreds of homeowners like you file an insurance claim to get their roof replaced with their only out-of-pocket costs limited to their deductible that can be as low as $500. We help you with the entire claim process so you don't have to worry about it. Do not wait until your roof leaks, as the more time you take, the more complicated it becomes to get your roof replaced by your insurance company. We are in your area, so contact us to schedule your free roof inspection. No one has control over Mother Nature, and your insurance company wants to fix the problem as soon as it occurs to avoid costly damage when you wait. Contact us now for your free inspection. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. AMI Builders and Redemption Roofing Incorporated. We've got your back. As always.